I'm using a 4-quart bowl just to give you an idea of how much stock that I have. So we'll see what it comes out to. I've returned my roux back to the pot. I'm going to now add in my veggies. Now that I've gotten everything back into the pot, I'm going to bring it to a rolling boil. I'm adding the remainder of my ingredients, everything except for my seafood that's going to go in last. I'm using some Slap Your Mama. Okay. Seasoning in here. 1 tablespoon for right now. We're going to bring it back to a boil. This is Old Bay seasoning that I'm putting in because I'm soon getting ready to put in my seafood. I'm simply seasoning to my taste here, guys. Ooh, this is coming together nicely, my goodness. And now all of my seafood is going in. We are now at the end of the recipe, and I'm adding in my gumbo filet. I'm going to cover it one last time and let it cook for a minute to get the gumbo filet fully incorporated in there. And then we will go ahead and dish it up so that we won't have a runny stomach. I'm going to try and remove as much of the oil that is sitting on top of the gumbo as I can. Alrighty, this is my gumbo here, and I must tell you guys, this is so tasty. Not too spicy, just right. And after all of this hard work, I definitely am freezing some to have for later. This was some work here, guys, but it was worth it. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and until next time, shalom.